His lazy ass.
Okay, Asia, stop. I'm recording. Okay, so I'm making some sort of chocolate cake because I just want it at night. I don't. Let's put this here. Okay. Plus minutes.
And now it's just like. Maybe that's what the chocolate here is like. Does it taste like no chocolate? It's uncooked now.
Oh, but it's fine.
Give me the recipe.
I actually made it. Oh my god.
Give me the recipe.
I actually made it. It actually works.
Wait. Try this.
Okay, so I basically made a cake in just in a microwave. And I followed this recipe online, and can you believe this? Because I can't. Okay, you know what? Now it's time for a taste testing. Is this good enough? Let's get a handy dandy fork.
Here, taste test.
No, I want to taste this.
I know. Give me the recipe right this second. Give me the recipe.
This is crazy.
Give it recipe now.
It's actually not bad. I mean, it lacks. It doesn't have lots of sugar, which is kind of good
Can I
for
try some?
a night snack or whatever. I can't believe this actually worked. Look, you see, it's like. I didn't use
Try adding
any
some of
eggs. No thanks.
No, like
no thanks.
dip this, dip that.
No thanks.
No, on this.
I didn't even add any eggs, which is crazy. I only added baking soda, and flour, and I'll give you the recipe.
Also said.